People of Twitter, welcome to my channel How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Our tutorial today is on how to make your tweets stand out with a bold text. Adding emphasis to your words can make a big impact. So let's get started. Let's start by opening the Twitter application. Then go to the blue icon on the bottom right where you can write tweets. Once you're inside, type your tweet, copy the whole text, and then go back to your web browser. Go to atext.com. In the Your Text box here, paste your text which you want to bold. Then on the bold serif option, tap on copy. Once it is copied, go back to your tweet again. Click on the blue icon again and then paste it. Now there you go, your text is now in bold. You may go ahead and post it by clicking on the post button and it will be in bold. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative contents like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.